everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Let's go to the markets. We have a lot of information to go over. All right. So, hey, Anthony. Welcome, Anthony. Welcome. All right, guys. Let's go over the markets. Um, I wanted to, we haven't looked at Bitcoin in a while. All right. So I wanted to take a look at Bitcoin this evening here in Crypto's Monster. All right, guys. Bitcoin is trading at 52,000. All right. Big move in Bitcoin. All right. Here is the weekly time frame here. All right. And hopefully our charts will work this evening. Okay. So here's our V here, right? On the weekly time frame, buy signal here on the weekly. Now, we would not have taken this buy signal. We trade Bitcoin on the daily time frame, but we need to pay attention to what's going on the weekly here. Target here for Bitcoin is at 63,000. All right, 63,000 on Bitcoin. If it can get past 63,000, next area of resistance is about same 63,000. Okay, so that's on the monthly time frame. So I think that's the highest Bitcoin got. It actually closed at all-time highs 62,000 and change. Okay, so keep an eye on Bitcoin moving really, really well. All right. On the daily time frame, buy signal was at first buy signal was at 28,000. Sell signal was at 40,000. And then we got a recent buy signal last week for 49,000, now trading at 52,000. Okay, so great move in Bitcoin. As you guys know, the other cryptocurrencies will follow Bitcoin. Okay, so Litecoin, all right, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, those will also follow Bitcoin's move. So buy signal here, holding nicely there. Our US 30 traders, all right, so our E-mini traders, be careful, all right. You notice we haven't called any signals, all right, on the US 30 recently. Here is your price action here, guys. All right, we have no movement here. All right, so we don't have we don't have a markup phase, we don't have a markdown phase. All right, nothing is happening there. Similar with the Nas 100 and the S&P. All right, so just wait. All right, if you're day trading it on a smaller time frame, 1 minute, 5 minute, you might be quick enough to capture some of these moves here. All right, but I would leave that for a very very good US 30 traders. All right, all right, so just be careful. All right, be careful. All right, current positions in Monster Scalper. Let's go through those trades. All right, Monster Scalper for Forex, current positions. All right. USD CHF, dollar Swiss. All right, we'll go ahead and close this trade. All right, red candle came in right here, guys. All right, red candle came in today. So I would go ahead and close this trade. Buy signal was here. Not a bad trade. Buy signal was here. Red candle came in today. We know we don't have a sell a sell signal, but we can use the red candle as a sell signal. Here is resistance here. All right, we can actually count this as resistance, this whole area here. So that is a concern. So close the trade. USD, CHF, close the trade. And we are seeing a move to the short side with the dollar pairs. All right. USD, CZK, that one also closed, guys. All right. Great trade here. All right. Great trade. USD, CZK, buy signal was here. All right. Price broke support. Look right here. Perfect sell signal, right? Broke support right here, right? Support line here. Red candle, sell signal by our system. So close the trade, please. USD, CZK, close the trade in Monster Scalper. All right. Long positions in the yen pair. So euro yen. All right. So EUR, JPY, Still holding. All right, hold on. Uh, Nice markup phase right here. Purple support and resistance, but that's fine so far, right? We're moving above that purple support and resistance. Good price action, buy signal here, holding nicely here. Euro yen, pound yen. All right, let's move this. All right, buy signal is here, moving up nicely. Broke resistance here. Again, purple support and resistance, but we are getting past that. Okay. All right, SGD, JPY. All right, same thing here. So not a bad move in the yen pairs, guys. Buy signal here, bit of a pullback, right? Broke out, moving up nicely. We need to get past resistance here, right up in here. All right, all green candles, nothing to do there. CAD yen. CAD yen closed. Okay, so red candle right here, right here. Buy signal was here. All right, so not a bad trade. Close the trades. Red candles, sellers are coming in. So close that trade, please. All right, CAD yen. All right, dollar yen. All right, that's still holding. Keep an eye on dollar yen, guys. A lot of purple support and resistance. We do have white candles there. I'll just pay attention. All right, pay attention to it. All right, but that's holding right here. Need buyers to continue to move the price higher. We have resistance up here, so we can actually move this right here. So we need that price to get into this area here, upper area here at resistance, and then break through. Buy signal here. So not bad for the yen pairs. Aussie CAD, guys. All right, that's holding really good markdown phase. Show you guys here. All right, good markdown phase. Let's bring that in. We have Aussie CAD and dollar CAD. All right. All right, here's your buy signal here. Next target on this is right over here. And I have a good feeling about the Aussie pairs. And then last target up here. All right, buy signal here, trading nicely so far. Right, this is where sellers came in before. So let's see if we can get past this area and then all the way up here. So Aussie CAD looks good. And then Aussie dollar, very similar. Okay, good markdown phase. So a lot of good selling there all the way down here. All right, that's your markdown phase. Markup phase here. The New Zealand pairs, the Kiwi pairs are making a move. Target is right here. First target. And we'll bring this in for now. Second target, if you can get past that, right up here. Okay. All right. So that's it for Monster Scalper. No shorts. No shorts in Monster Scalper. All right. Let's take a look at Forex Dominator. And we will take a look at equities. And we've missed a few days, so we'll try to catch up on everything this evening here. EURTRY. All right. Finally breaking out, guys. Look at this. All right. Buy signal here. Look at EURTRY, right? Settled in here for quite some time here. Finally breaking out here, right? That's good to see. Good trade going here. So if you were patient, right, you're doing well. All right, same thing, USD TRY slowly moving higher. Hey, we might get some volatility, right, with this one as EURTRY moves higher. EURCZK, look at this, turned out to be a great trade. All right, so buy signal here, right? Handle stayed in this area, right here, cup and handle right here, broke out and looks good right here on the daily time frame. Lots of pips here, guys. All right. I know it looks like a small um, price action here, but remember this on the daily time frame. So these are big moves. All right. We have some dollar pairs. All right. Dollar pairs in Forex Dominator. All right. So we have USD CAD, dollar CAD. Keep an eye on these dollar pairs. Let's take a quick look at um, the dollar index in the futures market. Here is the buy signal here, struggling a bit. We got a new purple support and resistance, guys. All right, so just be aware of that. So we got lower highs, lower lows within, right, within the markup phase. Currently, the dollar is down. Keep an eye on that. If it breaks support here, we'll get a white candle. All right. So just be aware of what's going on here. The good news with the dollar index that we still have all green candles. Okay, so but it is slowing down a bit. Okay, I just keep that in mind. All right, so USD CAD, dollar CAD, we have a target of right up here. If you guys look here, right, we're trading within a tight range, and this is on the daily time frame for dollar CAD. All right, we've got good support. Let's bring in support right here. Good resistance right here. Here is our markdown phase, right? And so that's within support and resistance here. Then here is our markup phase. Our goal is to get to that higher resistance, okay? So, but just keep that dollar index in mind. All right, so buy signal here, a bit of a pullback still holding there. That's dollar CAD in Forex Dominator. Dollar Swiss, USD CHF, all right, similar, all right? So here's your markdown phase here. Remember to bring in your markdown, your lines, your trend lines. Okay, guys. All right, hold on. All right. All right, markdown phase, markup phase, buy signal here, holding fine. Resistance, first target. Let's bring that in right here. All right, so we need to get through this area here, right about here, and then next target up here. So buy signal holding USD CHF, USD CHN. All right, same thing here. All right, here's your target here. No, this is high in the markup phase, so just be careful. I wouldn't go heavy here. All right, we're high. We're not trading from the markdown phase. We're higher up, so just be aware of that. All right, buy signal here. We waited, all right, and this was a red candle here, so we got in right in here. So target is here, USD CNH. Again, it's trading high in that markup phase, so be careful there. All right, USD CZK, buy signal here. Here's your markdown. This one here is breaking resistance, buy signal here, right? Breaking through that resistance there. Next resistance is right here. Good trade going so far. All right, so it needs to continue to move higher, target up here. USD CZK, USD, all right, DKK, all right, similar. We have support and resistance, and we're just looking for these to break out of these zones. All right, here. All right, so break out of these demand zones. All right, so resistance there, support, right about here. All right, buy signal here. You don't have to bring in your support line down here. All right, but we can do that. And here is your markup phase. All right. Buy signal here, a bit of a pullback. We do have white candles here. We need buyers to come back in, test resistance here. All right here. And then hopefully break out. All right. Next area is all the way up here. All right. But we needed to break out. But keep in mind what the dollar index is doing there. Okay. USD HUF, same thing here. All right. Resistance is here. Markdown phase, buy signal, green candles. All right. Green candles here. All right. Right in here. Buyers are sitting here. All right, we need that price to continue to move higher, perhaps test resistance, and then we have another resistance level there. All right. USD HUF. And the last, well, we have one more after that. USD CZK, that one failed. All right. So close the trade, please. All right. Good markdown phase. Look at this. Really good markdown phase. Red candle here. So close the trade because guess what? Sellers can retest support down here. All right. All right. If buyers come back in, we can look at for another entry. Okay. But right now, close the trade, please. USD CZK. All right. Close that trade. So let's remove that. USD SGD. All right. So we have a few dollar pairs. All right. Um, we've got some alerts to go short the dollar, some of the dollar pairs. We'll wait on that. Okay. Um, all right. So we got good resistance here. All right. This is where the sellers failed before. All right. We'll leave support here. Markdown phase. Again, the only concern with the dollar pairs, that dollar index is holding right there. Okay. All right. So USD SGD, good markdown phase, buy signal. All right. Holding. We need the price to continue to move higher. Buyers break through that resistance. Clear support and resistance here. Next target all the way up here. Let's bring that in. All right. So, all right. We hope it breaks through. All right. CAD yen. All right. So we have some yen pairs. All right, so CAD yen, I'm going to call this a markdown phase, but a pullback, right? Trading high in the marked up phase near distribution. So this is, just remember, guys, this is supply, right? Supply zone here. So we're breaking through here, right? Breaking through resistance. So decent trade here. Just need to continue to move higher. So CAD yen, pound yen, right? Buy signal here, right? Buyers are holding. We need price to continue to move higher. All green candles there. Just remember, we're not entering from the markdown phase, guys. All right. So this is seller's territory up here. Okay. So just be aware of that. All right. So we are overbought. That doesn't mean price can't go any higher, but just be aware of where you are in relation. All right. To the phases. All right, HKD JPY buy signal here, holding right here. If this fails, if it fails, we could see sellers really come in. All right, but right, they're holding, so we could break out. Okay, so just know that these are riskier trades up here. All right, we love to get them in the markdown phase. HKD JPY, SGD JPY, same thing here. All right, buy signal here. Here's your pullback, markdown, and then here we are, buy signal here, looking to break out. SGD JPY, USD JPY, same thing here. So you guys see what's going on with these yen pairs, right? See what's going on with these yen pairs. See what's going on with these dollar pairs. Okay, pay attention to what's setting up. Okay, USD JPY, here's your pullback, right? Your markdown, mark up, buy signal, holding at resistance. Traders are watching these levels here. All right. ZAR yen, all right, same thing. Buy signal here. All right. Good price action. Got higher lows here, all green candles. Resistance here, right? Looking to break through that resistance there. Okay. Pound Aussie. All right. Pound Aussie. And we have a couple of pound pairs. So pound Aussie right here. Let's draw it out. Two great trades. Well, decent trades. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. And here is your markdown phase. The pullback right here. And we do have a buy signal. All right. White candles right here. All right, we need to break through resistance right here and keep moving higher. Buy signal here, just holding white candles. Pay attention to it. if you guys are trading it. Pound Swiss, same thing here. We have a buy signal here. Very choppy chart here, but we do have a good setup here. There's your markdown phase. Here is your resistance. Choppy, but good setup. All right, here is your markup phase right here. All right, good price action. Buy signal here. Price is making higher lows here, heading towards its target here. So pound Swiss, so pound CAD, pound Aussie. I'm sorry, pound Aussie, and then pound Swiss. Okay, all right. We do have one short in Forex Dominator. All right, so let's go over that. One short here in Forex Dominator. EUR, Euro, Pound, that closed. So we talked about this one here. Hey, be careful. They were holding support. White candles here. Buy to cover signal. So close the trade. All right. I don't think anyone was really trading this. So Euro, Pound. All right, close that trade, please. That was the only short we had there. Okay, so Euro Pound, close that trade if you were in it. All right, we haven't taken a look at futures, so Monster Futures. We have a few positions. We added crude oil, guys. All right, so we'll take a look at crude oil. We don't have one particular symbol or instrument in crude oil that's really moving. I mean, in Monster Futures, that's really moving. But we do have some good trades. All right, so feeder cattle, buy signal here, moving up nicely, guys. Daily time frame here. Crude oil, just added crude oil. All right, good markdown phase. Look at this. All right, so good selling here, right here. That's good for crude oil. So here's your markdown phase here. All right, bring in your trend lines. All right, mark up. Your buy signal is here. All right, it's holding. All right, first target for crude oil in the futures market, right here. Okay. All right. Lean hogs. All right. All right. Buy signal was here. A bit of a pullback. All right, but holding. Buyers came in yesterday and today, gapped up today. All right, so that's good. Next target, we got to get to a resistance here. This is where sellers are really sitting. So if we can get past this area here, we're right here, right? Current price, buy signal was here. We got to get to this area here. And then next area is up here. But let's focus on getting past this area here. Some choppy trading in here. All right, so be aware of that. Live cattle. All right, good markdown phase. Look at this beauty here. Buy signal here, all green candles, nice price action there, nice big candles here. All right, heading towards resistance here. Hopefully breakout. All right, so live cattle looks good, and S&P. You guys know what the S&P has been doing in Monster Futures. Buy signal here, guys. Broke resistance, good price action. Yellow support and resistance line. So buyers are definitely in control. All right. So good job, Monster Futures. And let's take a look at, we can hold this up. Equities. All right. So stock boss, market was down today, 60 points today on the Dow. All right. So let's see how equities did. We start with stock boss, small cap stocks, okay? If we've got white candles, we'll continue to hold. All right. Red candles, close the positions. Green candles, nothing to do. Okay, we'll go through this quickly. So TAI, buy signal here. All right. Big candle came in today, guys. All right, so that's great. Buy signal was at 135, trading at 201. Right, we need to break through resistance here. All right, and then next target here if the market holds. All right, or if the stock holds. So, good job there. ATAI. All right. NGM, all right, buy signal here was at 93 cents, trading at $1.90, $1.61, guys, almost a point up. Good markdown phase, all right, good trade there. Note NOTE, no, that's Anthony's trade here. Good job. Good markdown phase, buy signal. Buy signal was right around 143, trading at 176. Looks good to get to its target here. That's note. Right, NUVB, buy signal here. Look at this one, guys, right at resistance here. Just keep an eye on it. All right, looks good to break through resistance here. Keep an eye on it, though. You could get sellers to come in this area here. All green candles, nothing to do. Okay, our RYAM, all right, good markdown phase, buy signal. Right, all green candles looking to break through resistance here. All right, looks good to do that. Next target all the way up here. All right, at $8. RYAM. CLVT. All right, keep an eye on this one. Buy signal here. All right. This is where sellers came in before, guys. Markdown phase. Look what this is where we got some selling here and here. All right, here we are right here with white candles. So I would definitely, if anyone is trading this, definitely keep an eye on this. All right, you get a red candle or sell signal, get out. If you break support, get out. All right. Hopefully, we can get buyers to come back in and break resistance here. Okay. So not a major concern, but remember, this is where sellers came in. Look at that, a lot of selling. Two candles here, right, brought that price all the way back down here. So they love selling this stock. All right, look at the selling in here. They love selling this stock. So any sign of weakness, they will, right, they will take it down. CLVT, keep an eye on it. RNA, all right, good markdown phase. Look at that, guys. Beautiful markdown phase. Buy signal here, right, at 771. All right, trading at 1398. Target is right here, first target. Let's see if we have a second target. No second target, so we might make new highs on that. Okay. RNA, STKL, STKL, same thing. Good markdown phase, right? Find those trades with good markdown phases. Okay, that will help your trades. Okay, buy signal in here, right here. White candle, keep an eye on it there. All right, first target here. Good trade going. All right, FULC, guys. Buy signal here. Go through its first target, which was right here. First resistance. Those targets are your resistance areas. Okay. All right. Next target is here. We got past that. So two areas we've gotten past. Next target all the way up here to 1237. Buy signal was at $4.69. Trading at 960. 949. All right. Good trade going here. FULC. UIS. Let's see what the UIS is doing here. All right. So UIS markdown phase. Buy signal was at 370, right around 378 or so. Trading at 780. All right. Next target, if we can break the resistance here, which is 919. All right. We've got more levels here. Good price action. Nothing to do. Let it run. All right. NKTR, that's holding. All right. AMRN, that's holding. Right. Right here, green candles resistance is here. It's got to get past this area. Notice it's slowing down in this area. Purple support and resistance. Buy signal was at 85 cents, trading at $1.19. All right. It needs to break through. All right. Get past this area and then test up here. All right. AMRN. ALLO, buy signal here. Good markdown phase, guys. Trading right here. heading towards resistance. There, good trade. All right, ACET. Look at this markdown phase, guys. Really good markdown phase. Look at that. We need sellers to buy from, right? Remember that. Buy signal 161, trading at 285. All right, long way to go to get up here. So be patient with it, okay? ACET. LESL, that's holding fine. All right, OMER, good markdown phase, buy signal right here, trading up nicely. Resistance here, keep an eye on it. Let's see if we have a second resistance. No second resistance level. If it get past this area here, we've got highs here. All right. So one step at a time, one candle at a time. Okay, guys. Okay. All right. But looks good to get at least to this area here, which is $6. Buy signal $3. Hey, that's 100% profit there if it makes it. NKTX buy signal was right down here. It's hard to see down here, right at $1.99, trading close today at 10.31. NKTX holding, guys. We have higher lows. All right, it's holding purpose support and resistance. We need to break through resistance, though. Okay, break through resistance. If it does that, we've got other levels here. This is where it might settle in, though. Okay, if it can get past this area, right, a lot of consolidation in here. All right, so keep an eye on it. If it breaks through that area here, hold it. But if you start getting white candles, you might just want to take profits. All right, good price action here. Markdown phase, right? Buy signal moving up nicely there. LXRX, good trade going here. A bit of a pullback. Keep an eye on this one here, right? So it spiked up, guys. Buy signal here spiked up all the way up here, right? Look here, same here, and here it is. Sellers are coming in. We don't have any white candles. This is a green candles, but the price went from all the way up here to now down here. So keep an eye on it. We need buyers to hold. All right, perhaps get it up to this area here, resistance, and then move higher. If you get a white candle, the first white candle on this trade, you might want to close the trade. Okay. All right. That trade it might be done. CYH, that's holding here. Target right here. Buy signal here, holding here. So that's it for Stock Boss. Take a look at Bullmaster, and we're right on time. Get you guys out here on time. Okay, so Bullmaster, these are large cap stocks, so these are more expensive, over $10. So we'll go through this quickly here. We are starting to see some volatility in Forex. I'll show you guys that before we leave this evening. All right, ALGN, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Nice markdown phase here. Here's your V. All right. All right, this is holding. Good job there. All right, this is breaking out. CTLT. All right, good trade going. OGN, good trade. ARHS, guys, we had some selling today. Everything is holding. All right, nothing to change. ARHS, buy signal here. Here we are at resistance, guys. This is where sellers came in before. So we have a purpose support and resistance, right? So lower highs, lower lows. So we know price is struggling a bit. All green candles, though. So we need to break through, get out of this area here. All right. The longer it stays in that area, all right, sellers will get ideas to push it lower. Right. So just keep an eye on it. All green candles, though. Same here. DV, same here. Trading right at resistance. Just holding. All right. Holding. Notice how the game that they're playing there, guys. Okay. All right. All right. So buy signal here, holding right here. Buy signal was at $30, holding right here. All right. This is where the shorts love to come in. This is where it gap down here, and it will happen quickly. Okay. So keep an eye on that. All right, FRO breaking out of that resistance area there. Good job. Buy signal here breaking out. HUBS, all right, buy signal here breaking out. White candle. All right, so we need buyers to continue to move higher. All right, INSW got a white candle today. All right, this is where we have support. Previous resistance is support. All right, definitely keep an eye on this one here. Buy signal here. I would not leave this alone. All right, if you see sellers come in, right, another white candle testing support right here. All right, you might want to just take profits. We'll leave it for now. We could get buyers come in if we have an update tomorrow, but definitely keep an eye on it. MKSI buy signal all the way down here, broke resistance. That's good. We have another target here. All right. So that's the goal, to get to this target here. Buy signal was at 84, trading at 119. If we could get to this area here, that's 156. Good trade going there. All right. LQDA, that's a reaccumulation trade right here. All right. Buy signal, a big candle came down here today, held. All right. Closed up here. All right. Just hold on tight. Very rocky trade in there. All right. CLS, that's holding. All right. ESTA, that's holding. Silk is holding. AMD, all right. AMD finally closed, guys. We were hoping that AMD would hold, right? It's at all-time highs. I believe that's the one, all-time highs. All right. Let's see here. So AMD closed. Buy signal was at 110. Broke support. Good trade though, guys. All right. And this is a clean exit too. All right. So broke support, your yellow line right here. All right. With a sell signal right here. So buy signal was at 111. Sell signal 162. Close the trade, please. So AMD, I spoke too soon. All right. All right. CAMT, that's holding there. And S, let's see what S is doing. S is holding. All right. S, buy signal right at 18, trading at 29, holding right there. All right. So only one, right? AMD to remove. Everything else is holding. All right. Want to take a quick look at the volatility. We're starting to see volatility come back in. I'll go through those dollar pairs this evening when we're done, and I'll see. We're seeing some shorts come in, but I think it's too early. And we'll take a look at the euro pairs too. But volatility is picking up. Okay, so if you guys look here, all right, here's the daily time frame. This is in Monster Forex Tracker, and we'll bring this out, all right, more and more. Okay, so here on the daily time frame, we do have consolidation on the daily. All right, I would say about 75% consolidation. I'd say about 70% consolidation there. All right, on the 240, look here, we got volatility coming in. All right, so I say right here, we've got about probably 40% volatility. All right, so that's good. Good price action coming in there. And on the 60-minute time frame, look at that. A lot of yellow in here. That's good. Okay, that's good here. So we just need things to shape up in here. All right, we need to see more direction in here. It's trying. We're seeing more selling coming down in here. Okay, down in this area here. Hold on. Let's bring this up here. All right, some selling in here, buying in here. Okay, so that's good. Things are starting to pick up. All right, things are so our monster scalper traders, just be on the alert. All right, be on the alert. We've got a few more minutes, so I want to go through some of the systems. So we took a look at Bitcoin in Monster Cryptos, um, the E-mini systems. This is what we're looking at. for the dollar. So in monster dollar, guys, we do have a buy signal, like I showed you guys, a buy signal here in the dollar metals. All right, metals. No buy signal in gold, platinum. No buy signal. So nothing in gold, nothing in platinum. Silver. All right, nothing. Consolidating. All right, so the metals are consolidating right now. Copper, consolidating. All right, so nothing in the metals. Energy. So crude oil. All right, nothing in crude oil, no buy signal. We could see a buy signal come in soon. Okay, so let's do this here so that if it does come in, we'll be ready. All right, so a good markdown phase here. We do have a markup phase. Here we are right here. Markup phase. All right. We just need a buy signal to come in. If we break resistance here, right up in this area, guys, we could get a buy signal. Now, this is on the daily time frame. Okay, consolidating here on the weekly, but we could see a buy signal come in on crude oil. Now, you guys know we have a buy signal, all right, in futures. All right, in futures, we do have a buy signal. All right. Here, natural gas. All right, that looks like a short. All right, in natural gas. Let's take a look here. All right, so there is a short there, but that's really that's selling off. Okay, so I would say too late. Look at that the weekly time frame. Not that it can't go any lower, but that's deep in the markdown phase there. Okay, and then heating oil. All right, buy signal here, a bit of a pullback. Let's see if we can get a bounce here. All right, it's holding solid on the weekly. And a nice pullback. All right, so we just need a bounce here. All right, so we'll start to follow these more indices. So the Dow, you guys know that. All right, S&P, the Dow, you guys know we have buy signals. Nasdaq, buy signal here, holding nicely. S&P, right, buy signal here, good trades going there. Russell, here's the Russell, right? No buy signal on the Russell. The Nikkei, all right, Nikkei, look at the Nikkei here. Buy signal here, good price action there. And then the FTSE, all right, no buy signal. We could get a buy signal on the FTSE if it breaks resistance right here. All right, okay. And bonds, all right, bonds. So the 2-year, all right, close the buy signal. The 5-year, close the buy signal. 10-year, close the buy signal. Bought here, sold here. And then the 30-year, close the buy signal. So we know that shorts should be setting up. Okay, so the 2-year has a short currently. Look at this, guys. Look at the money that could be made, right? Shorting bonds there. All right, so that's the 2-year. And the 5-year, very similar there. Okay. 10-year, all right, and we could see where bonds really continue to move, all right, with what they're doing with rates. And then the 30-year right here. Okay, so I just wanted to go through those other systems. I know we don't spend a lot of time on those, but we'll have to. And then Monster Yen, all right, Monster Yen. We'll go through. We won't do anything here. Let's see here. Hold on. Let's see if we have a quick trade in Monster Yen. All right. So New Zealand yen, great trade going there. Aussie yen. Aussie yen. Buy signal here. I think we got in. We didn't get into this one here, but good trade, decent trade going there. Euro yen. All right. So here's a quick trade. All right. So if you guys are looking for trade in the yen pairs, euro yen. All right, on the 60-minute, guys, buy signal here. That is setting up really nice there. Okay, and then pound yen, nothing there. If you're looking to get into pound yen on that 60-minute, I would wait. All right, wait for a green candle to come in, break resistance here. That might offer a good trade. And if you look here on the weekly, all right, weekly looks good. Look at that weekly there. Okay, weekly, daily, right? Buy signal on the daily, buy signal on the 240. So just waiting for that 60 to set up. All right, guys. I will see everyone. Everything is working fine. So we are back in business. All right, with StreamYard. And we send out a message for a new broker. All right, a new broker that you guys can use. Okay. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. Take care. Thanks for coming. Bye bye.